With the changing landscape, I get asked about when will Eseye support satellite. In short, we do already. We are working with several satellite providers and our tests have been very successful to date. But there's a but. Firstly, the number of satellites that are available today limits you when you can connect. Please remember that a satellite connection doesn't really work when your device is inside a building. Using the NB-IoT as a standard, the size of data packets are small, so this limits you to the amount of data that you can send. Not ideal for live streaming or real-time applications. And finally, the cost of satellite data. This is expensive when compared to traditional GSM IoT data. We know that GSM data is rounded up to the nearest K and then billed. But with satellite, you only pay for the data that you use. We then have two factors that are holding back large-scale deployment. Firstly, the modem chipsets. They are available today and operate both on GSM and satellite. They are expensive, but the price can only go one way. And to me, this is the most important one, the intelligence of the device. What I mean here is with both GSM and satellite profiles available, the device must have some intelligence in making the decision on when to switch. For example, the device is working on satellite and it travels. The satellite network may disappear and is no longer present. The device working with the SIM card would automatically switch to the GSM network. This is the simple part. The question now is, how long does it stay on GSM network before switching back to satellite? How does it check? When does it check? The SIM card and the modem has no concept of the business rules and cannot answer these questions. This is clearly the intelligence of the device. What is the use case to determine what happens and when? So, the device setup, configuration and intelligence is key for a seamless working between satellite and GSM networks. Do you have a project in mind that requires satellite as a backup or as a primary connection source? Happy to have a more detailed discussion with you. Find me on LinkedIn, drop me a message, but please remember, IoT starts and ends with a device.